I'll show you my PPT. On my PPT, like I had this pattern, a double candlestick pattern, which I talked about, which is called as dark cloud cover. Now, when I say dark cloud cover is a pattern, a double candlestick pattern, which is highly bearish. So a dark cloud cover pattern is a highly bearish pattern. And usually, like when you see a bullish market, the market is moving in momentum. All of the sudden, you see a big red candle getting formed from the top. So it opens at the high, and by the end of the day, it covers up the 50% of the previous green candle. So from the top, the market is, or the stock price, or the index, or whatever that you are tracking, maybe a commodity, whatever. It is like from the top, it is coming down and it comes below 50% of the red candle. Now, when it comes 50% of the red candle, we call this as a dark cloud cover. So 2008 crash, dark cloud cover. And these dark cloud covers are so prominent, so effective. I have like personally, when I see that, yes, it is getting formed at the top, these are very strong reversals. In fact, like personally speaking, I have checked lot of stocks, lot of in terms of data, and dark cloud cover is a very effective candle. It increases your accuracy to 80 to 90%. And with such a beautiful dark cloud cover, you will find that most of the times when you look to trade, you will find that your accuracy will go to a next level. And be it any chart, look at this, a beautiful dark cloud cover on Coal India went down. Again, a beautiful dark cloud cover. So it opened up by the end of the day, more than 50% of the green candle. And look at this beautiful downside that we saw on this particular stock on Coal India. And again, look at this here in historically as well. A beautiful dark cloud cover went down. So we cannot ignore pattern. In fact, like somebody mentioned about like, sir, if we look at, let's say, for example, a chart of Nifty also. So is Nifty showing you a kind of a pattern, which like such patterns? Yes, look at this. A beautiful dark cloud cover, a beautiful dark cloud cover. So whenever you find that patterns are getting formed here, again, a beautiful dark cloud cover on Nifty, you cannot ignore. Somebody said, sir, will it work on Bank Nifty? Oh, why not? Like it will work on Bank Nifty as well. So if you check the chart of Bank Nifty, and like if you find that there is a dark cloud cover getting formed on Bank Nifty, will this work? The answer is yes, it will work. So I'll show you like very good examples. Look at this. At the top, there is a beautiful dark cloud cover getting formed on Bank Nifty, and what we have seen is like a drastic fall which happened on Bank Nifty. Again, look at this. Market opened here. By the end of the day, 50%. Beautiful dark cloud cover. One cannot ignore such patterns. Whenever you see such patterns getting formed, whether it is index or suppose somebody says we are tracking gold. So let's say suppose if I look to track gold, and let's say somebody is looking to trade on gold, will that pattern work? The answer is yes, it will definitely work.